And what I want to do with this style is now take it into a low look. Sometimes they bring in a half up style, and I've felt it with clients over the years. Oh, don't worry, I'll keep it simple, half up style. And you're thinking to yourself, I'm like, I love to do updos. Like, where is this bride coming from? So we have to remember that there's anxiety involved in the wedding party. She might have a lot of girls. She might have had a bad experience with updos in the past. But what I like to do when I come across a bride that typically wants to play it safe or keep it simple, there's some underlying fear that she's not even aware of, and she doesn't know how to express it. I kind of need to have to investigate where her hesitation is coming from. So I'll give her the half up look that she requested. But then what I want to do today is take this hair and do other ways to go from this to all up. Sometimes when you do your investigations, you find out that the wedding's in the evening, or that the place she's having it is a little glamorous. To up the level of it a little bit more in fitting with maybe her dress, maybe she has a lace panel in the back and she's covering it and she doesn't quite realize that. Maybe she wants a beautiful veil, and then all this hair might kind of hinder the balance of the veil, and she might look better with something here. And that's what we need to be as a specialist. That's what makes us different than any other stylist who can just do the photo. So let's take this look. I'm going to give you some tricks for doing quick buns, adding to this, and then this is a way to just really make your trial with her different than any of the other trials she's had, so that you get the booking. Okay?